Dow Jones and Nasdaq both have stayed bullish for the whole day yesterday and achieved higher highs close to 12,870 and 32,720 plus levels. So now what to expect today? Can we expect a retracement today, or are they going to stay bullish and one should stay long? And if yes, at what levels you should enter, which position you should take in order to profit today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next update will be released before the US session, and yes, if you join my free Telegram channel, then you'll get the daily updates and the live analysis also. So join the Telegram channel. Link are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's see. First, we'll look into Tech 100, followed with Dow Jones. Do listen to it carefully. Do note on the levels. Trade as per the levels here. Now look at the hourly charts for US100. See higher highs, higher lows. I will wait for it to break past 12,800 levels and then 12,780 levels. Remember, only below 12,780 you can confirm that it is trying to retrace more, and then we can look forward to this zone, that is 12,740.20. And if it breaks below 12,700, stay short. You are going to look forward to another round of very good drop here. Also look at the hourly charts. You can find out there is a wall out here. Lower highs, lower lows are seen consistently, and hence you should be watchful of 12,850 levels on the upside. Stochastic has dropped a bit, trying to recover. The MACD on the other hand is trying to cross over for a sell, and this crossover is happening at a slightly higher levels. You should be watchful. See, a straight line without any signs of convergence. This time it has crossed over. It can also bring a straight line fall there. RSI near to top and trading comfortable, neither overbought nor oversold now. Now look at the 2-hour charts. Likewise on the 2-hour charts, see, could be a sign of reversal if it stays below 12,850. Right now we have to wait for it to break past 12,730, 12,700 levels, which is only the level below which you can consider it for a good bearishness. Till the time we have to trade with caution. Yes, you can sell here at 12,800 levels, but then 12,680, see, 12,780, 12,740 levels you should watch out for, and if it breaks below 12,740, it is going to show you very good bearishness, taking it for 12,680, 640 and 600 levels. Stochastic looking down, MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. RSI trading near to the top, near to the overbought levels. Now look at 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour chart, see almost double top, trying to retrace. It could stretch it a bit. It can try to take it till towards 12,800, 780 levels, and if it does, certainly it can bring further more red candles there. The stochastic is overbought, now trying to look down. The MACD is trying to converge. It has seen good greenery, good green candles. RSI almost trading near to the top there. And if you look at the 4-hour, now look at the 4-hour chart, see the candle is red, it is given this sign of reversal. I'll wait for the next candle, and next candle might take it slightly lower till 780, 740 levels. Now what it has done, you can see here, it has formed a good crater, and now it is trying to form a symmetry. A form of symmetry means yes, it can try to achieve slightly lower levels. Possibility exists that we may in fact see 12,700 also. See, good round of rally, good drop, good recovery, same levels. Now again trying to look down, indicating slight bearishness. 4-hour charts is overbought, but at the same time MACD has crossed over. Now this is trading with slight divergence. And if you look at the RSI, this is also trading near to the top there, near to the highs there. Now look at the daily chart, and on the daily charts too, similar is the observation, but look at this, look at this. So yes, it has to give a breakout, and any breakout above 12,900 is the sign that above which you have to look directly till towards 13,000 plus levels. Above 12,900, first we'll look at 12,950, the double top levels, and then 13,000 levels will be seen directly. Now see, after the formation there, remember, it has shown a reversal. This is the first red green candle, and it has also left a wick out there, but however there could be still little retracement, and it can try to reverse the gains from yesterday. Possibility exists for this. Stochastic trying to look up, MACD is in green trying to converge, and RSI almost trading comfortable. Considering this, see, 12,780, 12,850 levels, you should not take any trade. Above 12,850, you can wait for it to break out for 12,900, and only if it breaks about 12,900, you can stay further bullish with the stop loss at 12,900. The target should be 13,000, 12,950, 13,000 levels. On the downside, you can sell here at 12,800, but then 780, 740, 700. These are the stronger support levels. Breaking below 12,700, further bearishness may prevail. See, it's 12,680, 1,680 is 12,680 is broken. It can continue with the drop on the downside till 12,600 and below levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 21st batch starts on 10th of April. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at the hourly charts for US30. On the hourly charts for US30, lower highs are seen, lower lows probably, which means 32,650, and if it stays below 32,650 and 600, we can confirm that it is going to break further on the downside. Now see 32,650, also the 20 period moving average, it can converge till there, and then 32,600. If 32,600 is breached, till 32,500, every 50 points you have to put a trailing stop loss such that your trade closes in profit. In the case of a reversal, 32,550 is also very good support. We had seen that yesterday and day before. Stochastic has dropped a bit. The MACD has crossed over, trading with slight divergence, looking down. RSI almost trading flat, neither bullish nor bearish. If you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, you can see the support. They are very strong. Two candles getting reversed from 32,660, 670 levels, and hence, yes, you can sell here at 32,660, but then 32,620, and then below that 32,550. These two levels have to be breached in order to confirm the bearishness. Also look, this the previous candle has a good wick also on the upside, so it is still trying to consolidate. And yes, remember, a buy entry is above 32,750 levels only. Stochastic looking down, MACD trying to converge, RSI trading flat. And if you look at 3-hour, on the 3-hour charts, to see lower lows, lower highs, which means the support should come out at around 32,650 levels, and hence below which you can confirm for a good sell. Stochastic overbought, MACD is in green trying to converge, RSI almost trading flat near to the top. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, see lower highs, higher lows, consolidation phase, and that is where 32,650 will come into picture, because below that further bearishness may prevail. The next candle will decide which direction it wants to go. The stochastic is certainly overbought. The MACD is still bullish. The RSI almost trading flat there. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. See, first of all, yesterday it breached the 32,550, 600 barrier, traded bullish. However, if you look at, still it is giving you lower highs. Lower highs, higher lows. This is also phase of consolidation. Once again, 32,500, 32,400 levels are the support levels. And only if you see US30 trading below 32,400, you can expect the bearishness out there. Till that time, you have to trail your stop losses for a 50 points trailing stop loss. On the downside, taking a sell entry at 32,650. On the upside, 32,750 is the level below which, beyond which you can stay long, and then we can expect 32,800. And if it breaks past 32,800, this time we may see it hitting 33,000 levels, and hence take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.